So you just started up your HVAC business and you're stuck with the phone's not freaking ringing. What the hell should you do moving forward? And how are we going to get this business off the ground? And oh my God, I'm overwhelmed with a million different things that I need to do, right? And it's freaking 70 degrees outside today. Super nice, a little cloudy, all that stuff. The trees are finally changing colors. Um, and you're just stuck. You're trying to figure out how in the hell am I going to make this business legitimate? Well, I'll tell you exactly. So, for one, you just started the business, and we have not hit a busy season yet since you started the business, or maybe you did go through the end of last summer, or maybe you went through winter, but you didn't really get the traction that you needed. So, what the hell do we do? And I apologize, it's a little bit windy today. I hope that that will be edited out. But what exactly do we do? So the number one step I would say is your Google business profile up and verified. First and foremost, do you have a Google business profile? Because if you don't have a Google business profile, that is where you start. Maybe you're having trouble getting a Google business profile verified, and that is completely understandable because it's a freaking pain in the ass right now. I'm not going to lie. We're actually struggling to get a couple of businesses verified that are completely legitimate businesses. They've got records within the IRS that they're a legitimate business. They have contractors licenses, mechanical licenses, etc. And they're still struggling to get through. All I can say on that is hit me up if you're struggling to get through. I'll give you some pointers as far as the best ways to get through. You want to get as many local citations as possible. You want to make sure that the internet knows that you're real so that when Google, oh, that was a bad direction to turn, wasn't it? So that when Google looks online, it can find a whole bunch of areas that your business is already located at. And so it gives you a better chance. Not guaranteed. It gives you a better chance of getting through. Okay. But first and foremost, the main thing is you have to get your Google business profile verified. Is this going to get the phones to ring tomorrow? It sure as shit will not. And honestly, if you are a relatively new startup, nothing will that is worth your time or money currently. And the reason I say that is because there's not a lot of people searching for your services currently. So what you have to do is you have to work to get your business in position to take on when people are finally searching for your services. So when it finally heats up and people are finally saying like, get over to my house right now, you'll be in position to go ahead and do that. And so we're not going to focus. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that if you do this, we're going to get you a full schedule tomorrow. That's not how this works. How this works is if you do this right, if you build up, get your Google business profile in position before the heat gets here. Okay. That's very important. You need to be on the front end. Everybody in HVAC knows that the very first heat wave is what really sets up the season and really makes the difference between rocking it or just getting by. And so let's get in position. We're going to make sure that if you are verified on Google, make sure that all of your keywords are saying AC repair, air conditioning installations, etc., etc. We are heading in. We're very close. We're right on the cusp of cooling season. It is here. Some of you are already running cooling calls, and that's freaking awesome. But you know as well as I do that a shitload of them are heading your way. And as long as you can be in position to capture these, the rest of the year will be easy as can be. I promise you that. And so, but the main thing is we've got to get as many new customers during these first heat waves as possible so that when we head into the fall season, when we head into next spring, we can send out messages. We can reactivate our existing customer list. So we can get in there and we can actually get them to come back, purchase again. We can get them to, hey, come in or give us a call and we will come out and make sure that your system is good for the winter. Make sure that your gas furnace isn't going to kill you, basically. You know, like obviously you can't say that. That's not good to say, but uh, that's basically what we're going to be getting around to doing, just not in those exact words because you can't tell people that they're going to die if they don't call you because that's, you know, bad. But all that being said is the entire goal is building your customer list. Your entire goal as an HVAC business should be, what can I do to increase my customer list, my lead list even. So when we're running ads for companies, we're not technically 100% of the time shooting for, we need to get a customer to buy today. That is not typically the goal. The goal is just to build up your list so that when you do need somebody to come in and buy today so that your trucks can get to moving, you can send them out a message and be like, hey, we've got a 20% discount for you today if you choose, et cetera, et cetera. There's a whole bunch of stuff you could do, but it all comes from having a list. You need to start working on your list. And if you get in position before the summertime, before that first 90-degree week, you know, it needs to be consistent before we start hitting 100-degree temperatures. If you're in position for the air conditioning calls that are going to be coming in, it's about to be lights out. And then from there, those off seasons like we're in right now, those doldrums of 70-degree temperatures, we can actually bring in more customers because your customer list is so big that if we can get 10% of them to bite, that will tide you over until the next summer. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer all those as well as we can, or you can sign up and actually, I can walk through and show you some of the things that you can do in your business right now without having to pay anybody. I'll just tell you exactly what you need to do. But first, I need to kind of like look into your business, see what you have going on, see what you need to have going on, and then I can give good recommendations for you. Then I can give good recommendations for you as the business owner. If you guys are interested in understanding any of the ways that can be used to get in position for that first heat wave, make sure and click into here where we have a video that shows you exactly some of the things that you should be doing in your business right now. And as always, thank you for watching. If you like it, like it. If you love it, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.